Good morning, my name is Rodolphe Renaud. I am Technical Director. At Le Cordon Bleu d'Uzit Culinary School, located in Bangkok. Today, our recipe will be a mix of French and Japanese inspiration in regards of our videos regarding Inspire Asia. Allons-y! Donc, first step, I will prepare the tomatoes. What I need to do, I will remove the peduncle, the roots. I will make a cross opposite side of the tomato. Next step, donc I will monder, means I will action to dip the tomatoes in. I will cut the tomatoes in quarter. Temperature I will go to 85. I will bring to cook this one for at least 1 minute. Okay? I will bring back to the boiling point, a little warming point, to melt the gelatin in our preparation. Ready? I will use a brush and I will gently break down the egg white. Yeah. I will lightly brush after dipping them in our preparation. With a bit of mango coulis and to have different tint and color. I will bring acidity in the same time in the recipe. Voilà, 1 minute and a half, okay? Without the pod, without the skin, and donc only the fava.